Ancient cave wall inscriptions tell us that fungi have been quietly walking this earth for well over 50,000 years. We know through our careful research that the fungi are a primarily peaceful species, but these early cave paintings may hint at a darker truth to their past. It is believed that nightshades are able to entangle themselves into the mycelium network and cause an involuntary allure amongst the many enchanted mushrooms, subsequently harvesting spores and the life of a fungi, rebirthing itself into the physical world. Luckily, these ancient creatures are known to be extinct. However, if they somehow manage to return due to a chain of unfortunate mistakes in the lab, then simple preventative measures may be taken to protect your fungi. In the event of nightshades returning, research suggests conjuring rings forming and summoning nightshades every 24 hours. Because of this constant threat, it is important to keep your mushrooms outside of a 50-meter radius of fungiblefungui.xyz/conjuring. And under no circumstances should you use spores to fuel any transactions with the nightshade. Failure to adhere to these preventative measures may result in the following side effects: loss of spores, disintegration of fungi, and adoption of evil nightshade. Consider yourselves warned.